Hi, beautiful students. I hope you all are enjoying your school and studies. Welcome to Redfly Academy, where our motto is to spread knowledge. If you need help in your homework or you want to prepare your exam, we are providing one-on-one online classes where we help you to achieve your higher grades in your exam or complete your homework. So you can contact us on our given detail, which you can see on your screen. Thank you.
Okay, so today's our topic is vertices, edges, and faces. So let me explain you this topic with the help of example. This is a very easy topic. So first we have vertices. You can see that here I have an example of a 3D model of square. So what are vertices? In other words, you can say that corners. We call vertices are corners. So how many corners or vertices we have there? We have, let me count, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So how many vertices we have there? I represent vertices with we, eight. We have eight vertices here. Okay. Again, I'm repeating. These are the corners. Vertices are called the corners. Okay. Next part is that edges. Edges basically are these lines which are connecting 2 points. Edges are these lines which are connecting 2 points. So let me count that how many edges are there. Let me change the color. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. So we have here 12 edges, which is represented by E, 12 edges. Okay, let me erase these things now because we are going to find faces. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so faces are one, two, three, four. Four is the back. Faces are basically the plain face. We have one, two, three, four. Four is the back side, and fifth is the front side. Five and six, the bottom one. First, right, left, top, bottom, front, and back. So total we have here six faces, which is represented by F, six faces. Let me repeat it all the things. Vertices are the corners, which are these are called vertices or corners. Next are edges. Edges mean that which are connecting 2 points, the lines which are connecting 2 points, that is called. We do another question, and here we have a 3D shape of cuboid. So let me write the answer of the following questions. The first is, how many faces does a cuboid have? So I told you that faces are the plane surface of any shape that is called faces. So how many do we have there? Let me count. One, two, three, four, five front, and six, which is at the back of 3D shape. It will be better more when you assume a cuboid, a 3D shape in your mind. So it will be better to visualize, and then you can easily figure out that how many faces, edges, and vertices are there. So we have here six faces. All right, next is that how many edges does our cuboid have? So I told you that edges means that which lines are connecting 2 points. So how many do we have here? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 edges there. It's all up to you that how you count the edges. You can draw the lines as I did in this question, or you can write the numbering as I did in the last question. And the next question is that how many vertices does a cuboid have? So vertices mean that the corners. So how many corners we have here? Let me erase these one. Okay. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So here we have eight vertices. Okay, I hope so this question is clear. And let me do one more question. Okay, below is a solid shape. What is a mathematical name for the shape? Okay, we can say that it's a triangle shape, but it's a 3D triangle shape. And the 3D triangle shape is called triangle prism. It's called triangle prism. Second question is write down the number of vertices. Again, vertices are the corners. One, two, three, four, five, and six. Here we have six vertices. Okay. Next question is that how many, write down the number of faces. Okay, faces are, let me count, one, which is back, second, which is front, third, right, four, left, and the fifth, which is at the bottom surface. So here we have five faces. Next is write the number of edges. Edges mean that the corners connecting by these lines are called edges. So it is easy to draw all these points. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So here we have nine edges. All right, students. So I hope so these topics is clear to you. If you have any question related to this or you want to do more question, so you can write in a comment section. I will do more questions for you. So thank you so much. See you in a next lecture. Bye.